it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the A-flat major cadence. That's right, I'm going to take you through both right and left hand with all the correct notes and fingerings with both hands separately and together. So before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching my video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Okay, the chords that we're going to be playing today are going to be based on the first note, the fourth note, and the fifth note of the A-flat major scale. In this case, it's going to be A-flat major for our 1 chord, D-flat major for our 4 chord, and our 5-7 chord, our dominant 7 chord, is going to be E-flat 7. So let's take a look at the notes and the fingers for the right hand. So our right hand, our 1 chord is A-flat major, and we're going to be playing A-flat, C, E-flat with our 1, 3, and 5. Our 4 chord is going to be D-flat major, and we're going to play that on A-flat, D-flat, F with our 1, 3, and 5. Our dominant 7 chord, our 5-7 chord, is going to be E-flat 7, and we're going to play that as G, D-flat, and E-flat with our 1, 4, 5. So when we put that together in our cadence, we're going to be playing it 1 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord, 5-7 chord, and ending back on the 1. So let's take a look at that. So here is our 1 chord, A-flat major to D-flat major, back to A-flat major, E-flat 7, and finish up on A-flat major. All right, let's move on over to the left hand, fingering and notes. Our 1 chord is A-flat, and we're going to be playing that with our 5, 3, 1 on A-flat, C, E-flat. Our D-flat major chord is going to be A-flat, D-flat, F with 5, 2, 1. And our E-flat 7 is going to be played G, D-flat, E-flat with our 5, 2, 1. All right, putting that together in our cadence, it's going to go like this. Our 1 chord is A-flat major, then to our 4 chord, D-flat major, back to our 1 chord, A-flat major, E-flat 7, and then finish up on A-flat major. All right, the only thing we have left to do is take a look at that hands together. So the hands are going to be playing the same notes, but please notice that the fingering is slightly different in the 2 hands. So looks like this: A-flat major, D-flat major, A-flat major, E-flat 7, A-flat major. And there you have it. That is our cadence for the chords in the key of A-flat major. If you found this video at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.